Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to buy YouTube Premium. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to buy YouTube Premium. When you are on YouTube, click in your profile icon in the top right. After that, click purchases and membership, and then you see here offers from YouTube Premium. Enjoy a free month of YouTube Premium. Just click learn more, and here all YouTube, no interruptions, and here you can try it for 1 month for free. And here you can see the price. First month is free, and then 79,000 Vietnamese dong per month. Here is the price because I am located in Vietnam, and this is about $3 per month. But the price is different from country to other country and where you create your YouTube channel. And as you can see, $70, 79,000 per month, and you can cancel. And here this is for individual, and here you have family or study plan. If you want to select family or student plan, just you can click here. Okay, if for example individual, it's here, and then just click try 1 month, and then here just add your credit card information, and after that click buy. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to buy YouTube Premium. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.